Dear students, good morning. Now we will study your math subject of second class. Please open your books and open page number 41. Students, on this page we have been given a worksheet and we have to complete it. Okay? Now let's start from the first question. Fill in the blanks. Here we have been given some numbers like 86, 89 and 94, and these numbers are in ascending order. So we will use the concept of forward counting for filling the blanks. Okay, and what comes after 86 in counting? It is the number 87, and after 87 it is the number 88, and after 88 it is 89, and after 89 90, then 91, 92, 93, and after 93 it is 94. Okay, now let's move to the first part of second sum. Here, what comes just before? We have been given some numbers like 79, 86, 73, 90, 100 and 80. Okay, and we have to tell which number comes just before these numbers. Here we will use the concept of backward counting to solve these sums. What comes before 79 in backward counting? Yes, 78. And what comes before 86? It is 85. Okay. And now let's move to the next part of the second sum. What comes in between? Okay, for example, which number will come between 79 and 81? And for solving these sums we can use either the concept of forward counting or the concept of backward counting. Okay, now tell me, what comes after 79 in forward counting? Yes, 80. Very good. And what comes before 81 in backward counting? It is also the number 80. So write here the number 80 between these two numbers. Okay? Clear? Good. Now let's move to the next part of second sum. What comes just after? For solving these sums we will use the concept of forward counting. And what comes after 99? Yes, in counting it is the number 100. Okay, good. Now let's move to the next sum, the third sum. Here, fill in the blanks. Okay, in this question we have to fill in the blanks with signs, 3 signs: greater than, less than and equal to. Okay, for example, we have been given the number 84 and 48. Okay, and to fill this blank we will use the sign greater than, because the number 84 is greater than 48. Okay, and in the next example 97, 97, and here we will use the sign of equal to, because both the numbers are same. Okay, and in the next example 75 and 80. Okay, and here we will use the sign less than, because the number 75 is less than the number 80. Okay, now let's move to the next sum, fourth sum. Here match the number with the numerals. Okay, match the number names with the numerals. 92, and where is 92? It is here, so match this. Yes. 89, and where is 89? Yes, here it is 89. Okay, I hope you all have understood all the concepts. Clear? Now listen me, those blanks which I have not completed, you will complete yourselves. Okay, thank you.